Para dun sa mga feeling nila lost sila. Tapos, kayo, you figured it out ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Actually, wala talagang lost. Kumbaga, susunod ka lang sa agos, kung ano yung nandyan sa harapan mo, kung ano yung nakikita mo, ano yung mga problema na pwede ko isolve, sunod ka lang sa agos.
Oo.
Huwag mo isiping lost ka. Kung nasaan ka, yun yung dapat nandyan ka. You're at the right place at the right time, always. If you feel you're lost, you're not lost. Like I said, I thought I was lost for 20 years. But in hindsight, looking back, it all prepared me for where I am right now. All the experiences, all the feeling confused and lost. I had to go through all the pain, all of the heartbreaks and challenges. I had to go through all of that kasi I wouldn't be able to help people the way I am helping them right now if I did not. So, wala talagang lost.
Kaya lang naman kayo feeling lost kasi kino-compare nyo nga yung buhay nyo sa iba.
Yeah.
Sa iba kayo nakatingin. Sa buhay ng ibang tao kayo nakatingin na feeling nyo. For example, yung barkada mo nung high school, my God, buti ba siya nakapangasawa ng mayaman? Buti ba siya successful na yung negosyo niya? Kaya ka feeling lost kasi gusto mo ganun din yung buhay mo.
You're comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10, di ba?
Oo, lahat naman tayo, we move at a different pace and yun nga, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang timing. So, for me, I can say na hindi ako naniniwala na may loss talaga.
Ako din. I think hindi ka lost, hindi ka lang gumagalaw.
Ay,